If you guys don't remember, this is the Tahoe here. So, get on in here. Show you the process of this. It's going to take a 10 millimeter, normal 10 mil. So in order to get that mirror off here, what you're going to have to do right here is take this panel off here. Oh, that was pretty easy there. So you take this foam out, and the 3 screws here, you see 2 down here and 1 at the top. And this is the plug that I was telling you about, and this is the one that I said was cut. So we'll take care of that so we can get our power switches going back. So I'll get back with you. Okay, so those are the 3 10 mils, the foam. This is going to be the mirror here. You see that already has the foam for the outside. So I'm going to undo this real quick here. See, so it's got already the padding, all the good stuff. So we'll get this inside there. So we'll take this off here. Okay, well, give me a second here. Okay, so you guys can see right here. So there's this little clip that actually holds it on. That's why I wasn't able to get it off. If you're looking right there, you got to squeeze these in order to get it off. It's got a little bracket right there, a little hole. So you got to squeeze those and pop that right out. So pretty much all we're going to do is go in reverse with this, put it right back on, and I'll show you the finished after. So okay, so those last 3 bolts, that's just the 10 mils. Bring the plug through the hole right there, and you'll see these clips right here. They hold onto the edge right here. Just tighten it up, and then you just plug it in. You'll be done. And that's pretty much it. So, Hogside Channel TV. Talk to you guys later.